Hello. Hello. I hope y'all are all doing well today. I'm live. I'm only a little bit later than I originally planned. It's fine. I need to post some go live stuff to places, so bear with me. But I figured I would come on and say hello and ask how y'all are doing today. I hope you're having a good day so far. We're posting a selfie to Instagram. Gotta do the selfie. What day is it? Is it Wednesday? Gosh, this has been a weird week because there was a holiday on Monday in the US, so it's felt a little bit off. Live on Twitch, come hang out. Do I post the same message every time? Perhaps. Yeah, I don't know about y'all other USians, but I feel like MLK Day always sneaks up on me because we just got back from the winter holidays / New Year, and then it's like, surprise, another one. But maybe that is just me. Do you hear my dog? Mouse. He just wants to get at this trash, so I'm gonna put the trash up here. This is how we're handling it today. Oh, what a day. Also, we're trying out Chill Hop today. So we'll see how that goes. Let me see if my tweet went live. I do not think it did. Wait. Okay, my username changed, but it did not post a tweet that I'm live. Live on Twitch. Lo-fi. What did I call the stream? Lo-fi. Chill beats. Oh, I spelled it. Chills beats. Good job, Mia. Lo-fi chill beats to cowork too. Lo-fi chill beats. Oh, I spelled it Lodo. Thank you, autocorrect. Lo-fi chill beats to cowork too. And little emoji. Twitch. Hello, Coding Vibe. How are you today? I'm just doing all my go live stuff in varying locations. I hope you are doing well. Oh, thank you. You already posted in the Discord. I appreciate that. Oh, a weird Red Bull ad. Retro. Hi, Cubity. I hope you're doing well. I know. If only someone made a go live notifier that worked. This is true. I think you've encountered a glitch in the matrix, maybe? Yeah, okay. So my main thing, I haven't been on Twitter much. This is Mia's Twitter feeling stream now, apparently. I haven't been on Twitter much since the Elon Musk acquisition. Things have just been kind of iffy for me. I have a lot of feelings about it. It's fine. But that also means that no other platform is exactly the same, but I'm trying to use Instagram more. But because Instagram is so picture based, I feel like you can't just post a story without a picture. So I'm like, I gotta put a picture of my face. So how do you do a go live notifier for something that needs an image every time? That's where they get you. But anyway, we're here. We made it eventually. We got here at the end of it all. And we're streaming. And you know what? Any day that the stream goes live, that's a win in my book. Yeah, I guess you could use the same photo every time. I just feel like, I'd have to actually run a test to figure that out, but it feels like it would be lower engagement, but it also might not matter because the one I do on Twitter is usually, I just pull from the title. So it's not like really that different or exciting. I feel like it would punish you if you don't do a photo. But what do I know? I know nothing. I'm not a marketer anymore. Okay, I'm in DevRel now. If only someone made a go live notifier that picked from one of a collection of anime GIFs and tweeted it every time. That's so true. What a good idea. Maybe we should do that today on stream. Oh, also Cubity, I'm wearing these are the Death Tarot card earrings, which I need smaller headphones so that you can actually see Earring Game Strong. So we're going to do a couple things today. This is a co-working stream, as you may have guessed from the title. And the first thing I need to do is just like get a little organized. So I think I'll use the first Pomodoro to do that. And then I might actually use the Pomodoro to do stream stuff because I have this cheat sheet. What's up, Feber? I'm talking about what I'm doing actually. I have this cheat sheet for co-working streamers. And one of the things I want to do is like build in a timer on my overlay. Check out some other stuff. Amazing emote. Thank you very much. So I might start looking into that today. I don't know. Yes, I'm actually very excited for the gamer one. Looks really cute. Little gamer tarot card. 10 out of 10. And I love clear earrings because I feel like they match with everything. So I don't have to worry about like colors. Oh, thank you for saying hi, Freeberg. I appreciate you. I hope you have a good time at work. Yes, clearings. Thank you. So yeah, my dog is coughing like he ate something he shouldn't have. You good? You good? Sometimes he just does it. I'm miserable. Oh no. Oh no. I think most of us in the chat right now are at work actually. I'm at work, technically. Let me get my screen set up for co-working. I still have my JavaScript open from Friday because I don't want to lose the code I've already written. Draw a picture on MS Paint of your dog. I'm hooked up to my MacBook, so I can't. Rip. No MS Paint here. Rip. Okay, pull up this. My desk is over full actually. Everything is bad. PomodoroKitty.com. Okay, cool. I think I can show you all this now. Whip. Yay. Okay, good. My Stream Deck works. It was being a little sketchy before. I actually probably should restart my laptop because it's tired of me and my bullshit. It's like going very slow. It's very cute. I got it on Etsy. It was only a couple bucks. So you too can have a cute screen transition. I believe, if I remember correctly, I think I put it in my about. I think I put the credit in my about on here, but let me look. Because maybe I just thought about it and I didn't actually do it. Which is also a thing I would do. Did I do it? I sure didn't. No. Okay. I should. Oh God, this is also out of date. I have my wrong schedule is in here as well. I will update that. But yeah, I got it on Etsy. 10 out of 10. Really recommend Etsy for all kinds of cute transitions. Okay, you can have a funny, jokey one too. I'm sure they have funny, jokey ones. Okay, there's artists of all sorts. Okay, so what am I trying to do? I also thought earlier I was like, oh, I have a thing to share on stream, and now I don't remember what it was. Rip Mia. You're gonna have to get a custom one for that, I think. Okay, I'm gonna start the Pomodoro if you're Pomodoroing along, and I'm gonna use this first one to plan out what I'm working on. If you want to share what you are working on, you can do so in the chat. I do love your porcelain cat, because we were just watching you the other day and you were like, oh, thanks for the follow. You can look at my porcelain cat. Okay, everybody else look away. It was really funny to me. I don't know why. It really tickled me. Okay. I'm closing tabs I don't need. I have so many open. Like, why do I have the same Trello board open 3 times? Because I'm a mess. That's why. Oh my god, that's really funny. So I should unsub and unfollow and refollow. I can't really unsub, and that'll be a thing. Beautiful. So I have my Trello open, and I'm deciding what I'm working on this week / today. It feels like Monday, even though it's Wednesday. I'm a little off from the holiday weekend, and then also we've been doing kickoff stuff for the year, so it's just like kind of a lot of meetings and off of my normal routine. Hump day, that's what I hear. That is what I hear. But I don't do that. I don't go there. I don't call it that. Okay, and then okay. I don't know if I know the reference, but also I'm good with never knowing the reference. I'm trying to use, so if you, like me, are neurospicy, you may find that whatever organization system you use does not work forever. So I'm currently back to Todoist because it is working for me at the moment, but I am expecting it to fail at some point. Oh, from a commercial. Okay. I do like that you had to clarify. I promise it's innocent. It's okay. This is true. This is true. Just keep it like PG-13-ish on this one. This stream. Okay, I sorted through my Todoist, and now I'm going to look at my GitHub notifications. Because they a mess. Bruh. Like an 80s PG-13 or 2023? Oh, yeah, more like 2023. Actually, I think I can probably show this because none of this is private. So I'll put this up on the screen so you can see too. Oh no. Okay, there we go. My computer is not too pleased with me on this day. Thank you so much for submitting. Oh, here, I'll zoom in a little bit for fixing this link. I cannot relate to having a lot of downtime, although I guess I have like a fairly flexible job, so it's a little bit different than like, you know, retail or food service or something where you're like, they're like, you know, if you have time to clean, you have time to clean. But I know you have a lot of time where you're just kind of like sitting there like, what do I do? So it's a little different. Yeah, so these are, this is the community that I help run. So I'm just making sure that everything is going well, clearing my notifications. Well, I hang out on Twitch at work, but I'm usually working in the background. Whereas I think, like, you watch entire anime series, we are not the same. Yeah, that's true too. Working from home, I've definitely been known to like go throw a load of laundry in or whatever if I have time. I'm just looking because I want to see if this person, yeah. So they're also in the Kamunda org, so I'm guessing they work at Kamunda. The repo still has branches for old versions of C7. Just because I can binge a show from the 90s in its entirety and have spare time to catch up on new episodes means absolutely nothing, does it? It's so funny because, like, something will come out and you're like, okay, everyone, did you already watch the thing that came out 5 hours ago? Because I finished it. I think the Last of Us series, either, I don't know how HBO does their stuff, like if they're doing it weekly or not, but I think it's coming out or has come out or something. And I'm just like, I can't wait to get to that in 10 years. I am interested, but I'm also a weenie. So I don't know. Yeah, especially since having kids, like I just don't usually spend my spare time watching stuff the way that I used to. But it feels like I don't have the brain power to remember things at the end of the day. I heard we're hanging out. Hello, Precisely Alice. Yes, we are hanging out. It's true. I'm working on work stuff and chatting, but mostly working. Hi, hard eyes. That makes sense to me. We can also make sure the new repo. What am I trying to say? Do you think this works? I would adjust the README in the old repo to emphasize that the repo has been moved into the community hub and link. That makes sense to me as long as the boundaries are clearly defined. I touched the mic, sorry friends. I'm doing GitHub stuff, which is like a thing you are specialized in. I guess much GitHub, so wow. Wow, GitHub, wow. I have like kind of a weird use case in terms of I don't see a lot of folks doing what we do with our community, which like sometimes is a warning flag that what you're doing is a bad idea. But I think this makes a lot of sense for our use case, so I think it's fine. But it is funny because sometimes I'm trying to look up like very specific things. Like, did you know GitHub, there's no way in the GitHub API to notify you if there's a new repo added to an organization. So one of my struggles has been like just keeping up with new stuff that's added or transferred in because it's a challenge. So I think the way that we did this, because I wasn't the one who created this, it says to start a new extension, you open an issue, which is what this person did. So I think I need to actually open the new repo, but I'm going to look at previous issues and see how my predecessor handled this. Please add me a collaborator, add me as a collaborator. Yeah, this was a transfer. I think this one was also a transfer. New member, new extension. Thank you so much. We'd love to have it. Blah, blah, blah. Dang you, transferred repos. I'm looking for an example where there isn't one. No, that's a migration as well. So I guess, let me look at some of the documentation. I haven't actually had to do this yet. Wild. We stand documentation. That's right. Every engineer's favorite task. Have a good rest of your day, Fee. Thanks for stopping by. Could also open a community discussion or feature request about the new repo event webhook. I should do that. Actually, I might do that literally now. I know I've went here for pronouns. No, that's not what I wanted. I went, but I upvoted a topic around like, thank you. Of course you had it. And because I'm on two computers, I have to type it. So don't. Yeah. I upvoted something about including pronouns in your bio somewhere, like having it built in. And then someone was like, my name is so-and-so and I'm mad about pronouns. I saw that some people have pronouns. But I didn't see it on mine yet. Unless it's somewhere else. But I did see it on someone else's profile and I was like, it's coming. Yeah, it was something about something woke mob something. I'm just seeing if this already exists somewhere. Probably not. I love having a use case that I'm the only one that needs it. What is this? When you're building webhooks integration, blah, blah. Nope. Okay. This is true. I mean, I've been talking about this for months and not posting on GitHub. Well, the thing is, I keep looking at external, like different things for stats and things like that. And I finally realized the sources. The problem is the source doesn't allow it in their API. So the only things that are tracked are the things that GitHub gives you, right? So that makes sense, but took me a second to realize that that's what was up. Cool. I will post a thing. If I'm allowed. Am I allowed? Oh, I'm not signed in on this tab. Hello? Yeah, that's a nightmare actually. This is weird. I'm logged in one tab over. Now I have to do my two-factor. I wonder how much of my day is just logging into two-factor auth. Yeah, I had on turn on notifications for new repos, or like watch new repos automatically, and it was a nightmare. And then someone added me to the official Camunda.org, and I was on for every change and every issue for every repo, and I was like, I'm dying. Tufa. It feels like a D's nuts joke. Feels like you're ligmaing me right now. There we go. API webhooks. New repo event available. Oh God, I can't imagine. It took me a while to get mine in control, and I'm honestly still trying to get my head wrapped around it sometimes. Because it's hard to, like, when you look at your notifications, it's hard to tell what you actually need to take action on and not, but I think I'm getting better at it. Just want to see if there's anything that I need to know. Don't be offensive. Don't sexualize people. Don't troll. Don't dox. Okay. Would this be product feedback? Hello, I run a GitHub organization and would like to be able to tell when there is a new repo added or transferred to the organization. No! I don't even have a YubiKey, but I'm not notoriously known for keeping track of physical things, so I feel like that would be worse. I don't know. Right now, that is not. This is how I know I don't know how to. I don't know how to program. I'm trying to use the terminology. Like, what are the things you can tell me on the API? What is that called? Like the data. Query parameters. Help. Oh, is it endpoints? What am I trying to say? Here we go. Events. Events. Public organization events. Return different types of events triggered by activity on GitHub. For more information, see event types. Click. The triggering action, each property. Repository name. Organization. Okay. And now I'd like to be able to tell when there's a new repo added or transferred to the organization. Right now, that is not an event type in the API. Is that something that could be added? Or is there another way to track this that I am not seeing? Thank you. I have done a search. I sure did. Thank you. All right, I did it. Wow, another green box for me today. Okay. So I think what I do in this case is I actually just go to like my little template repo here. No, show as where are you? I don't want to look at this. I want to look at the public view. Because I have like pinned repos. Template. Template repo. Use this template. Create a new repo. It will be called Camunda 7 web app translations. So what this is our internal repo has different languages available, but only I think one of them is officially supported. So they want to move the languages that aren't officially supported into our community org to have that separation and be like, yeah, this one isn't officially supported. But then also folks who want to contribute to other languages can do that. How did they end up in the main org? I'm not sure in this case, but I know before we created the community org, a lot of our unofficially supported stuff was in official like company org stuff. So this is an employee, like a Camunda employee that is asking to move it over. So I think there was like some messiness because we had like some stuff that was also contributed to by the community that was in our company org, and it was all just like kind of messy. And then also there was a lot of like Wild West repos, like just in people's personal accounts, whether they were an employee of Camunda or just a community member. But then like if you wanted to see all of the available extensions, you'd have to kind of search and hope that you found the thing that you want. So it was all kind of a mess. So hopefully, I mean, we have like almost 200 repos now. I have a GitHub content repo on my personal account because open sourcing is too hard. God, yeah, it's really hard. And I understand why people would and wouldn't want to move their stuff into this org, but at the very least, like, say you wrote some code and it's no longer relevant, you can transfer it and be like, hey guys, or hey everyone, it totally doesn't work anymore. But if someone else wants to fix it, here you go. Like there's pros and cons to that, right? Oh, Pomodoro Kitty says it's break time. So looking away. It's really hard when I'm in the zone to actually take a break. Stretch. If you are a fellow person that has more than one drink on your desk at all times, what do you have right now? Because I have Spindrift today, which is, this one is sparkling water lemon flavor, so it's kind of like lemonade. It is good for the body. 4 drinks. Well, okay, look, I have water, regular water, I have spicy water, and then I have my coffee, which is now empty. But I think I just finished it right before I went live. Fruit punch, juice box, and water. Ooh, I forget how much I like juice. When I was in the hospital giving birth, my oh yeah, the Ember mug is not an everyday because sometimes it's not clean. But I'm a slow coffee drinker, so it's essential. Yeah, when I was in the hospital during labor, I think my best friend got a bunch of juice boxes, and I was like, damn, I freaking love apple juice. I forgot apple juice is so good. Smart water, but it doesn't seem to be working. I'm sure it's working. Water, soda, sparkling water, and tea. Is your sparkling water flavored? I have to know all the flavors because those are just categories. Like what kind of soda? What kind of tea? It's currently 74 degrees. And it's like a little bit too warm for hot tea. But like I feel like I didn't really get a tea season this year. I'm kind of sad about it. That sounds delicious. You know the apple juice that comes in the round bottle, like the glass bottle? Hold. Martinelli's. This shit's so good. That's true. February is the cold time. The cold. Yeah, I got some of these at the grocery store the other day, and I was like, wait, how did I forget these are so good? Tap water, H-E-B brand Cola Zero, LaCroix Cherry Lime, and October Moon Tea with lavender syrup. Okay, all right, living a life of luxury. All of those sound amazing. Amazing. Man. Yeah, I forgot I love juice, and now I'm going to be like on a kick. There's something about these little bottles that really get me. Oh, there's this like local brand. I don't do dairy, but there's like, it's called Milking. I'm trying to find the little small ones that are cute because they're shaped like the big jugs, but they're little. Jug? I don't think juice is bad for you, okay? I think it's been, not hug. I think it's been demonized. Not jig. Why can't I type? Oh, I'm so sad. I can't. Why isn't it popping up with what I want? So they have like it's like the regular gallon jug, but they're little. And they're adorable. Oh, what, the Milking? I don't know. I don't drink milk. They have these at Houndstooth. So yeah, the little ones. It's not cute when you can't tell the scale, but it's adorable. Look at this. That's just cute. Yeah. Berberine? Science. Okay, so my understanding is the reason why people consider... Okay, so whole fruit contains fiber, and fiber helps your body process the sugar more slowly. And that's why generally your body doesn't have as much of a spike when it comes to like if you eat an apple versus if you have some apple juice. And that makes sense to me. So like maybe have some juice, but also eat something that has fiber in it at the same time. I'm also not a doctor, so I don't know, do some Googling. And I don't know what it is about sugar that doesn't jive with your body, so it could be something completely different. But man, I'm so sad that I can't just type Milking jug and it gets the right thing. That's true. I do always want to eat like a lot of juice. Okay, we're back on. It's Pomodoro time. Okay, all right. Just crack my back a little bit. Reactive hypoglycemia. I know what hypoglycemia is, but like, there are dozens of us. We out here. Okay. That's so funny. Oh man, keto. Keto, I think keto does not work for a lot of folks that try it. and also shouldn't be as widely recommended for folks as it is. But I know it's also like a medical diet for some people, and that's different. Okay. In people without diabetes, hypoglycemia can result from the body producing too much insulin after a meal, causing blood sugar levels to drop. This is called reactive hypoglycemia. Oh, today I learned. Interesting. I love Pepsi Zero no sugar, and the new version is even better. I'm not a soda person, so I will trust you on that. But if you're a soda person, hey, Pepsi Zero no sugar, apparently good. And then this badge. Where are you, floating thing? Floating parentheses. There we go. Human bodies are complex. And I think we can all agree on that. Complex and stupid. Yes, yes. I don't know why this comes up so much in my day-to-day, but I feel like I'm always talking about how, like, as much as you want to think human bodies are optimized, they are absolutely not. And human bodies are just bad. Okay. Yeah, pregnancy really, really taught me that, because pregnancy, a thing that lots of people go through on a fairly regular basis, is just so not optimized. Like, I had a fairly smooth pregnancy, and it was still mad uncomfortable, and like I had so much heartburn, and it's like, you know that this process involves a human body being inside of another human body. So why would you not adapt a little bit better? Why would you give me heartburn because there's just not enough room in my human body for another human body? Why can't I lay an egg? Although, so this morning, Q Biddy and I were talking about kiwi birds, and so the kiwi lays eggs that are the biggest proportionally for any bird, or I think any creature, but definitely any bird. And it would be the equivalent of a human adult giving birth to a 4-year-old. Yeah, exactly. And that's terrifying, because I have a 18-month-old who is 30 pounds, and I can't even imagine him fitting in my body again. Like, right? Like, there's no room for you. There's barely any room for you when you were 8 pounds. That sounds horrible. So maybe eggs aren't actually a better idea. But I mean, the amount I was like, wow, I wish I could just like put my pregnancy outside of my body and put it in an incubator. God, that sounds ideal. Let's see. I went ahead and made whale babies. I don't want to know. Are they huge? A repo, an empty repo for this. Please add whatever makes sense. I guess I should probably add them as a admin or whatever. Nope, not this one. That's why. I was like, where's the settings? Googling before I talk out my butt. That's a thing I should do more often. I just found out. I have been saying this for 1,000 years. I just found out that the Texas flag doesn't fly at the same height as the US flag because Texas was the only state that was also a country at one point, which I have told so many people that was just like a fun fact about Texas. And it turns out that's not true, like in any sense. There's no regulation for what level a state flag should fly at. Any state flag can fly at the same level. Okay, thank you. But I should have, yes, we were taught that in school. I was taught a lot of things in school that turned out not to be true. So, it's just a reminder to like, I should double check things sometimes. Okay. And added you as a maintainer. You already knew Qbitty. You were like, this sounds like some nonsense. Yeah, it's okay to make mistakes. I just couldn't believe how many, like, that's just one of those things where I spread it around so much and I was like, oh no, I can't believe it's not real. They made us take so many Texas history classes for that to not be true. Please add what you need and let me know if there's anything else I can help with. I'll close this issue for now, but please reopen if you need. Since I'll close this issue since I created the repo. Well, please reopen if you need anything, or tag me in an issue. I guess that doesn't work. No. So blue whales stay pregnant for a year. The calves are 23 feet long. Blue whales can grow to be up to 100 feet and 160 tons. Weight around birth is 5,000 to 6,000 pounds. No, thank you. I mean, 9 months is already long enough, but being pregnant for a year sounds awful. And also, I guess proportionally 23 feet to 100 feet is about right. I mean, how long was my baby? Like a foot? And I'm 5 foot something? I don't know, math. But I feel for anybody or any animal that's pregnant for longer than 9 months. I'm like, you don't deserve this. Okay, that makes sense to me. Let me know if there's anything else I can help with. Close. Should be good. Done. Oop. The extension. Okay, this is another new community extension request. Labels. New. Extension proposal. Assign me. So my predecessor was quite a bit more technical than I am. So there's like a bunch of stuff in here, like configuration, dependencies, like even some of the specifics that I'm like, I don't know what this means. Thank you for spelling it out. I trust you. So is this one that already exists? I am still investigating on how to do this. Currently it is done via bean name. Bean name? So this is something that already exists. Let me see what they call it. Okay, right? What is bean name? No. Bean name. Oh, here's a Stack Overflow. Oh, Spring. This has to do with Spring. Why are they a bean? Oh, it's a Java thing. Is it possible to use custom names for beans out of the box? If it isn't possible out of the box, then how to create such a bean? Okay, but so when people talk about this, do they realize how silly they sound? I used beans on Tuesday. Oh, on your stream? Was I there and I didn't know? Internal task handler for Camunda 7. I want to see if this exists. I can't believe I was there and I didn't know. Now I know. Oh, I'm not good at naming things. So I don't even try. I make no new things. I'm very literal, so I would much rather have a name that's like, this is exactly what it does. A product naming framework. Yeah, absolutely. Look at these beans. For you, I will, even though I'm clicking on it and you can't see it because it's on my other computer. At Bean. Hey. Oh my God. I learned something new today. I'm obsessed with your inability to push using your Coding Vibe username. You're like, all my updates to my Coding Vibe software is done by some random guy named Gizmo-Dude4. Well, delete your other GitHub profile like entirely? Because don't you use it for work? No, wait, y'all use GitLab. But like if you ever worked at a company that used GitHub, you'd want to use your personal one, right? Oh, just from your computer. Okay. We run through a series of questions about what the product or thing needs to convey, and literal names are often helpful aside from needing to copyright. Yeah. It's very difficult to me to have a name that's not literal that also conveys what the thing does. And when you hit that sweet spot, that's when you get a memorable thing. Okay, so I don't think that this one is currently public because this is an external worker. And I think that's different. Okay. This extension aims to combine all advantages of embedding code and engine to the same application with advantages of the external task pattern. Okay. Twitter has a package called Chill that interacts with another library called Cryo, but the package is com.twitter.chill, which conveys nothing. Yeah. Is it called Chill because Cryo like cold stuff? Like, is that supposed to be the connection? Okay. So I'm going to say, hi, Jonathan. Hi, Jonathan. This sounds like an excellent extension. Is it something you are looking to transfer into the Camunda Community Hub? Or do you need me create a new repo for you? And I'm going to say thank you for all the details, or for the detailed write-up. Write-up is 2 words? Okay. Done. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's cute. I like the logo. This is a little ice cream cone. Vanilla BP. Cute. I just watched a whole video about vanilla, so like vanilla the food thing. So I'm thinking about that. Let's see. I love you, two auth. Two-factor auth. Two auth? Twoth? Tufa. Tufa D's nuts. I should for the stream make a counter for how many times we have to two-factor auth. Tufa. That's so stupid. Okay. Can you configure me as maintainer? Yes. It would be great if my avatar shows up as contributor. I don't know if I can do that. I mean, maybe on their insights contributors? I mean, yeah. But not on the side or anything. Okay. I added you as maintainer for both repos. I don't think there's a way I can... What is it? What do the other ones look like? Like if I click on this one, yeah, it has contributors on the side. But like, how do I... Is that a setting? I don't know. I've never cared about that. Let's see. Show contributors. Not in README, because that's going to show me right sidebar. Yeah, see, I don't want this. Maybe look up another one, like a smaller one, like this guy. Huh. Customize your repository. About readmes. Contributors. Just searching. Maybe it's my guess is because it's only one contributor that it's not showing it. So that's what I'm going to say. Maybe there needs to be more than one contributor for that to show. Currently I'm able to push changes, but next I would like to configure releasing so I can publish these artifacts. Afterward, I would like to protect the main branch so that changes can only be done by creating pull requests. Okay, I think I can do that, actually. Branches? Oh, I'll let him set that up then. You should be able to configure. Is that how releases work too? Not actions, not secrets. Managing releases. Okay. You configure your branch protections and releases now. Okay, one additional question. Currently, I'll do a thumbs up. Currently, the artifact Maven version is 0.01 snapshot. Do I have to change this to this, or is this done as part of the GitHub release action? Ooh, no idea. Oh, the Maven stuff. Whew. The Maven stuff gets me. But I think we're like... I think there's quite a few. Like, I don't think that's right. Let me see. The artifacts Maven version is this. Do I need to change it to that? The artifacts Maven version is that, yeah, okay. I'm not an expert in Maven, but I believe you should do this. Where's the code block? Is there a code block thing? Yes. Where is it? This? Yes. I believe you should update it before releasing to that. Okay. I think that's good. And then last one, which I think is not even me. Looks good to me. Thank you for the changes. And it's been merged. Excellent, excellent, excellent. I did it! With 47 seconds to spare. Whew. Yeah, checking on GitHub stuff is now... Oh, thank you for the clap. Thank you for the clap. Checking on my GitHub notifications is now a daily task for me because I don't want to leave people waiting too long. And sometimes it takes a lot of time. Close. I need to learn more about GitHub releases because I might want to do that with some of my repos, but that is for later because now we're on break. Whoop. Hello. I know what you're thinking. Mia, why are you huge on my screen now? And the reason is I saw I got a notification from my bird feeder. And I have a bird feeder now that is a smart bird feeder that shows you pictures and video of birds that stop by. So I figured that could be a fun thing to do during the break. It makes postcards. Now, I will say, so far I've gotten more squirrels than birds, and that is fair. And that seems to be the case. Oh no, the ring light. Oh, it seems to be the case with this guy. With this little dude. That's a squirrel for sure, right? So let's see if we got any good photos of the squirrel. That's definitely a squirrel. I would be worried if it was a bird, honestly. I've started getting choosier with my squirrel photos, but if it has ears, I generally keep it because I think the ears are very cute. Oh my god. Let me see if I can show the video decently. There we go. Look how close that squirrel is to this camera. Just like, hello. I'm a bird. I'm definitely a bird. Hey. Cute. Cute and silly. But I've got a couple other ones. Let's see. I saw a hummingbird fly at the feeder this morning, but it flew on the outside of it, so I don't think we got any shots. Meanwhile, the squirrel's like, hello, these are my legs. So I guess that's just my lot in life, is to get a lot of squirrel pics. According to the app, we've gotten 21 total squirrel visits, or they call them mystery visitors, but we know the truth. They're squirrels. But don't worry, there's 2 more visits. 2 more visits that could be squirrels, but could be something else. Nope, this one's a squirrel too. I'll show you pictures of a bird in a second, once I get past all these very up close. What is this? This is just for this up close squirrel content. Look at that quality. I know, one more chance for a bird. Look. Well, I got bad news about the last one, y'all. It's also a squirrel. That's okay though. We can also feed the squirrel. I just would appreciate if birds also stopped by. But hey, everyone's got to eat. Okay, so let me show you one of my favorite shots so far, which is this beautiful dove. Hello. I'm so bad at this ring light thing, huh? There we go. Look at that beauty. Such a cutie. I know. I didn't know the eye was like red till this camera. And then obviously there's a cute video of it eating. And then I've gotten a couple of cardinals, which are just, I love a good northern cardinal. Precious angels. So here is a female northern cardinal eating. Being cute. Look at that crest going up and down, all precious. An angel. I love birds. What a gift. So far we've seen 2 different kinds of birds. Yeah, we've seen a white-winged dove and a male cardinal and a female cardinal, and then a whole lot of squirrels. Like if you scroll my feed, it's just like, hello, here are 10 squirrels. So that's it's been really fun. I want to get more like maybe millet or something that's more bird specific, or maybe even set up a separate feeding station for some squirrel food. Yeah, it's just Peapod the pocket squirrel. All right, we're back in work mode. I do appreciate a good squirrel though. Okay, so the other thing that's on my list that has to do with GitHub today is reaching out to a specific person. So this contributor created the PyZB. Hello? There we go. It's thinking about it. PyZB. So, okay, this is so funny. So, sorry if you're watching this. I don't mean to creep on you, but I was trying to creep on this person because I was like, oh, do we know anything else about them? And really, like, this is the only thing that they've done in our community that I can tell. Like, I looked to see if we knew, like, what's their Twitter or LinkedIn or whatever, and we didn't have any of that. So I don't know much else about this person other than what's on their GitHub, which is also, like, not super filled out either. So I was looking because I wanted to see, like, if we had any other contact, because there's been, like, quite a few, like, dependencies, and then a couple of folks that were looking for, I guess it was issues. No, they're closed. Okay. Oh, right, because this is the old version, I think. I think they migrated it into the hub. So that's all like 2020. Is this the one? Yeah. Yeah, so this is the current one. And there's a bunch of like issues and PRs and stuff that need attention. So I was going to see if I could reach out to the person who's currently the maintainer and be like, hey, like, you good? Do you need help? Like, do you want to be a maintainer? Because, you know. So I'm going to get some context here. They made this. Oh. Let me open that. I love your investigative work here. So this is all from when it... I wonder if this is up to date with their current versions, because this is, it said 2020. Oh, it says 3.0. What's the current version? Yes. Oh my god. Sure, go for it. I can also, I'm going to reach out on GitHub first, but good to have in the background if I need. That's so funny. So is this... Okay, current version is 3.0. So this also is on... Yeah, it's in the correct repo, so people can edit the documentation. Okay, so boop, boop, boop. Contributing, do these things, pretty generic. If you link the email with their existing profile in your community metrics tool, it should link things better. Yeah, that would be great. Because right now I was not able to find it, or we didn't have it, I guess. So that would connect some dots. But I also was looking very briefly, so I appreciate the investigative journalism over here. So yeah, look, there's all these issues from like months ago. This one has a pull request, so I'll look at this. Oh, interesting. Okay. So this went... There was some back and forth for a while, but then this was sitting here from November till last week when my coworker slash friend Amara requested a review formally, like with the LinkedIn, or not LinkedIn, with the GitHub tool. Interesting. So that might be, wait, but that is that issue still open? Or the PR is still open? Yes. Okay. Man. Oh my God. And there's also discussions. So there's even more. Okay. So how do I want to go about this? I love the anime profile pic. Big mood. This was last updated in 2021. Always good. So yeah, I think probably what I will do is email and be like, hey, well, let me look at the settings because maybe they're not listed as a maintainer. No, they are. Oh, have a good lay down. Oh my God, it's already 4:20. Blaze it. Time flies when you're having fun. Yeah, meetings, especially at the end of the day. That's one benefit with working with a lot of folks in Europe is most of my meetings are first thing in the morning, which like, I guess I prefer, even if my brain's not fully on yet. Makes me get out of bed and be ready to go. Okay, so I think I'm going to draft an email. Yeah. I've only worked with one person in New Zealand time zone before, but it's pretty handy. Okay, so I'm going to say, hi, Jonathan, which I assume it's pronounced Jonathan, even though there's no H. Hey, Jonathan, my name is Mia, and I'm the technical community builder at Camunda. I noticed that you have I noticed that there are open issues and PRs in the PyZB repo and was wondering if you would like help. I'd be happy to help you find look for an additional maintainer so that to help resolve some of these open issues and PRs. Additionally, if you need help setting up your GitHub notifications, let me know. They can be confusing. And easy to miss important information. I need to put something nice in the middle here. My name is Mia. I'm technical community builder. Hey, thank you for the lurk. I need to actually make that command do something, but you know what? It's just letting me know that you're here. My name is Mia. I'm the technical community builder at Camunda. I'm here to help with all things Camunda Community Hub. I'm here to help with all things Camunda Community Hub. I noticed that there are open issues in the PyZB repo. Have a wonderful last meeting and a wonderful drink and whatnot, and a good rest of your day. Thank you so much for popping by. It was a delight. I will be here until a little bit from now. Toiling. Let's see. I noticed that there are open issues and PRs in the PyZB repo. Is this something that you would like and help with? Help maintaining? I'm happy to help you look for an additional maintainer to help resolve some of the open issues and PRs. Additionally, if you need help setting up your GitHub notifications to alert you when there are new issues or PRs, please let me know. They can be confusing, and it's too easy to miss important information. If there's anything else I can do to help please let me know. And then I'm gonna ask my team to review this. Hi friends, I want to send, or wait, I think there's a thread about this. Where are you, PyZB thread? All right. Well, I'm going to call that done for now. And I think the rest of the time today I will focus on stream stuff. So I have a couple of things. Where's the other one? Where are you, tab? I thought I had this open already. Did I? There's no way I closed it. I'd be very sad about that. Here we go. It just looks like my Notion. That's why. So this is something I found from a co-working streamer Discord. And it's a co-working streamer cheat sheet. So I want to go through this and see if there's anything that I can learn to make my stream better. Okay, chat commands. Okay, I'm good on that. Oh, this is cute. This little widget shows what you're playing. Adorable. Let's see what they've got. Overlays, streaming tools, other overlays. Spotify mode is only for Pro. Good to know. I want to look. Pixel Chat is a fully customizable chat overlay. Oh, I see. Okay. So, just an overlay of chat. But I think I'm good with mine. Pixel alerts, stream alerts, timer. Okay, this is what I'm looking for, is a timer. So that's something. Shout outs. I would love a better shout out command. Credits, no. Streamathon, no. Captions, I'm good because I have automatic captions. Particle effects when viewers use emotes in your chat. Now playing. Stats. Let's take a look. Oh, I see. So it just looks like that. Now playing. This works with anything that uses LastPass. Or sorry, last.fm. That's a different thing. Okay, and you can use it with that instead of doing Spotify. Stats bar overlay enables you to display different information about your stream while it's happening. Like raid subscribers. Ah, okay. Timer. Okay, so that's an option. How to separate your audio for meetings/classes. Okay. So yeah, that's what I have. Here we go. Timer. Here's a widget. Can be called through commands in chat. And then you can use window capture. Okay, so you could do those. Let's see. Oh god, this website has so many ads and stuff on the side. Let's see. First, head over to our Discord server. But we'll see about that. That looks okay. This might be the easiest if I start with Pixel Chat. But let's see. I I don't love that it's already like, you can't look around without giving me your tweet. Let's see. Now playing overlay. Edit. God, what is my last FM? Christ, it's so old. Is that what I'm listening to right now? No. Let's find out. Why is that not working? Fine, I'll click the tutorial. I don't even think that worked. That's fine though. Emote, stats bar, timer. So this will be Pomodoro timer. Countdown. Count up. Completed sound. Oh, right, I can't hear it because it's on my other computer. Scenes. What do the scenes do? Create new scene, new scene. I wonder if it just lets me have multiple overlays. Add component, overlay image. Yeah, okay. Genshin cam frame. Stream goal widget. Meme overlay. The tiniest Genshin stream. Pokemon overlay. Can I search for Pomodoro? Yep, nothing. Timer? Well, that's not working. That's so weird. So if I do that, what was the command for this? Countdown? Oh, okay, that worked. Like it went. I'm sure it's on here. Yeah, there it is. So I can add this somewhere. Although I don't love the formatting. Man, I wish I could customize this a little bit more. But it might be an option, so I don't want to knock it. Maybe let's look at Stream Elements. I know we're on break, but I'll probably end pretty soon. Because it's already 4:40. I'm sure there's another timer. Ooh, social media rotator. That's actually pretty cool. Events rotator. I see. Last sub, last whatever. Hype bar. Awesome shout out. Oh, actually, I really like that because it shows someone's like clips or something. Emote greetings. Snake game, Tetris game. Each event adds a block. Oh, that's kind of fun. Cute. Event heart. Cute. Level up goal. Oh, I see. So this is if you're doing like, you know, a goal. Timer? Stream marathon timer. Yeah, see, that's not what it is though. Let me see if I can customize it enough. Click on the widget. Timer settings. Okay, so I might be able to mess with this and make it work, but it's probably not worth it. I do want to get the cool shoutouts. A step goal for when you hit different milestones. Oh, okay, yeah. Multi-channel chat, animated gradient web frame. I see. Viewer count. Wheel of Fortune. Channel reward alerts. Oh, okay, so I could do something for lurk or whatever. I might do that at some point. I'm gonna add it to... Oh gosh, what's the one I do? I think it's this one. Boop. And then I want to do awesome shout out. The other thing I was looking at for stream overlay stuff was called Sammy. Yeah. This one, because I think another streamer that I watch uses it. But I looked into it really briefly and I didn't see a whole lot. Like it's very comparatively looks tricky to use. But it has also all the community made extensions. Coffee delivered straight to your stream deck. Oh, okay. Is Sammy a different Stream Deck alternative? Ah, completely free Stream Deck for OBS, Twitch, and YouTube. Interesting. You can use buttons for most basic things, such as screen switching, etc. And then you can make your own extensions, commands. Automatically thanking them for subscriptions and purchases on the stream. Interesting. But I don't know, like, how hard would this be to set up compared to other stuff? Alerts. Loot tools. Ooh, I don't know what that is. Stream loots. Yeah, no idea. MISC. Click map. Clickable buttons. Huh. VTuber stuff. Utilities. Detect active window. Interesting. Take a screenshot. Get shout out info. Yeah, so I don't know if this is worth the effort, honestly, of setting up a whole new thing. Like, step-by-step tutorial. Seems hard. Although I bet this is great if you don't have an actual Stream Deck. So I'm gonna close it. Let's mess with this overlay. Oh, do I have to set up each person I want to shout out ever? It doesn't just automatically pull a clip. General config. Show default video. VIP users. Okay. So you can have 40 people if you want to shout out specific people. Otherwise, you do default video. But what is that? What is that? Okay. Let me test this. Can I emulate a shout out? I don't think I can. So if I do this, awesome shout out, awesome shout out. That's funny. It's just his logo. Okay. Oh, because I didn't actually save this. Save. Okay, let's try again. SO coding vibe. No? There's probably a cooldown. Ooh, I can mess with the code. Interesting. Okay. But what is default video? Oh, I set the video. Interesting. Okay. So I don't want to configure that right now, so I'll keep it off. Twitch item alert. What is that? Oh, this is a what do you call it? Channel points redemption. Emulate alert.
Howdy, my name is Bill.
Okay, that's funny. I'm gonna make it a little quieter.
Howdy, my name is Bill.
Turn off text to speech, at least for now. And change the color. Hello? Can I do hex? Why can't I do hex? Why is it mad at me? There we go. Emulate.
Howdy, my name is Bill.
Emulate. There we go. That seems better. That sound level. If alert has image. If alert has image. Can I make it custom to each one? I don't know. I don't know.
Howdy, my name is Bill.
Okay, I kind of like the text to speech. I might try it. Might keep it there for a little bit.
Howdy, my name is Bill.
So this is going to be channel points alert. Which I think is this here? No? Where are you? How do I move you? Oh, let me lock the other ones. That'll help. Lock. 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 I want to move you. Why can't I move you? Ah, it's this way. Position. That's where it's at. How do I center it? Can I just center it? That would be great. Widget is locked. Oh. No, it's not. Oh, stream stuff. Why are you the way that you are? Oh, maybe if I put it on the top. Ah, that worked. And then, yeah, I want it in the middle like that. And I'll move it here. And then let's try a test. Why didn't it work? Did I do something wrong?
Howdy, my name is Bill.
Does it not work if I'm the one redeeming it? Perhaps a mystery for another day. Yeah, I'm giving up on that one. Let's see if there's any other stuff I want to add from Streamlabs, and if not, we'll call it. We'll call it a stream. We'll call it one stream. Oh, just like cute alerts. Themes. Let's see, what do I want to call it? Like timer. Countdown. Timer. Countdown. Nope. Seems like no. Well, that's a bummer. But say la vie. Well, we will mess with this later. And by we, I mean probably just me. And that's fine. Well, I hope you enjoyed the stream today. I hope you got stuff done if that's what you are aiming to do. And I hope you have a lovely rest of your day. Rest of your Wednesday. I believe it's Wednesday. And I will be back online on Friday around 11 a.m. Central Time. And we'll be working through some JavaScript struggle busing and maybe some other stuff if JavaScript gets on my bad side. So I hope you have a good rest of your day and have a good night and keep it cute. Bye. That did not work. It just turned all my lights off. Don't look. Don't look. Ah.